Testing. Hi there, welcome. It's Tom. This is the Graphic Novel Development Intensive 2022. And this is just a real quick video about the logistics, about how to use this course. Most everything will be done right here at this URL here. That'll be emailed to you pretty frequently, but once you get in there, see if you can bookmark it. It looks like this. It's got this little picture of Sappho there. It's got that there. It's dark blue. Those things won't change. It's got some things worth noting. I'm actually going to switch back and forth to a different type of format. There we go. It will look like this. Maybe at first, if you haven't clicked the invite link, once you have, you'll be invited, and it'll look like this. It has two main places where you're going to visit, but both are in the same system: activity feed and course materials. The course materials is where we will be showing you lots of PDFs, videos, and where we'll be navigating our 6 months. The activity feed is already up and running, and that's where you and us will share links, posts, our work, and everything that's good and bad about it. Real quick, show you a quick thing about posting. You can make a quick post here. It's going to ask you for a topic, and if it's a part of the structure, go ahead and put that. If you're just sharing, for the moment I'm just sharing, and I'm going to put a picture. Let's find a random picture. Oh, an eel. Perfect. Okay. So now, what if I want to make another picture? Well, this is ghosted. I can't make another picture. It's really frustrating. We're going to be working on multiple pages. You probably want to do multiple pictures. So what you need to do in that instance is expand to article. So you're not making a post, you're making an article, and it'll change. Oh, wow, it's got a little info there. That's pretty interesting. I'm going to X that out. It's gotten rid of my eel, but I can add it again. So we're going to add that eel. We're going to add a title, quick article test. I'm going to add some other picture. Let's see what other random picture I can throw into. Let's see. Sorry, I don't mean to keep you guys too long. Oh, here's a good wolf picture. Okay. So this way, in choosing to post an article, you can continue. The easiest way to keep going is to press that button, that arrow, and to keep posting picture. Let's see, what is that? That is our friend Hyena. Let's see. There we go. That's a really nice one. Post. And then it'll show up. We close that. It'll show up on the top. This is, if somebody has commented on any of these below, that'll rise to the top. If you want to see what's the most recent stuff, you go to date created. And that's the most recent one. Falky's the most recent one. After that, Haley, etc., etc. So that's what that looks like. Again, the course materials looks like this right now. Some things are locked, and there's a lot below there we haven't seen yet, and I'll go over here and show you what that looks like. There we go. So from my view, because I know what's coming, I can show you that a lot of this will be unlocked on June 1st, honing in on your idea. All of this will be the 6 steps that we'll be working through, plus archive of previous calls and other stuff. Real quick, a look at the calendar. Let's open that up. You can open these up in New Link. So the calendar of calls is here. You can link to it from Google Calendar by pressing that. But we've also got it sort of in a spreadsheet here. It's every Tuesday, 8 p.m., alternating 8 p.m. Eastern and 2 p.m. Eastern. And again, if we click over to there in a new tab, you'll see it open up, hopefully. Oops, that's everybody's. That's all my stuff. So let's just see if we can pull only that, display this only. There we go. And so right now it's just when the calls are, oh, that's when it launches. There's the call at 8 p.m. There's the call at 2 p.m., etc. So not too much. So there's one other thing to tell you about, and that is the graphic novel development resource package. If you ever click back to network, you'll go to the main Mighty Network. There's no problem being here. Your regular stuff will show up here. See, there I am. There's my quick article test, in fact. If you go to my external courses, you'll wind up on our other website, which is a little complicated. You don't need to go there. We will, unless you want to. You definitely will have some fun searching around. But what you'll find there is this thing here, the graphic novel resource package. If you click into that, you will find tons and tons of ideas about creating story, using grids, some silent storytelling, some ideas about using voice, some ideas about drawing, lettering, etc., etc. This is the kind of thing where we're going to, every once in a while, if we have a good answer for you or something we want to point to, we're going to be like, here's this link. It's over in the drawing resources. It's over in the resource package. Take a look at this. This will help. Or maybe we'll guide you through it in a call or something like that. You can take a look and you can just kind of go through because there's a gazillion things here. And a lot of these things actually wind up in our year-long program. But it's overwhelming. You can ignore it or wait for us to guide you there, or dive in if you're a voracious kind of student. So that's pretty much it. And again, I'm going to go back to this is the URL you're going to want to come back to often. You don't need to type in the number. I would bookmark it. And that's it there. So that's it. It's mostly, I know we covered a lot of ground, but if you stay at that URL, you will mostly be okay because you'll be able to bounce between the course materials and the activity feed. And you can also message up here, Jess or Emma or I, if you get lost, or even any of the other students. Your notifications here will tell you if anybody, for instance, maybe commented on your thread, or somebody, or if we posted a new article to this section, stuff like that. Great. Anyway, we'll get started on June 1st. I'm so excited. This is a great program. I'm really happy you're here. And if you have any questions, just let us know.